Good afternoon, it's Dave at ATI Watch Reviews. Please hit that like button and please smash the subscribe button for more awesome watch content. Little of this watch check. I've got my PD YS020 on, a brand new release this year from Pagani. Check that bracelet out. The crazy thing about this watch is that it is literally 7 millimeters thick. 7 mil thick. It is an absolute beaut, and it's only 37 millimeters, even though it looks way bigger. There's going to be a full review out very shortly. But today's video is actually another little unboxing of another watch that I picked up from Pagani. And I did pay for this myself. I didn't have any freebies or anything like that, because I wanted another women's watch. And when I saw it online, I thought, wow, that is a very interesting look. And for the price that I paid, which was again a complete steal, I couldn't believe it. Obviously, they are not real diamonds, but let's get the stickers off and let's check this thing out. And check that out. This is the PD 1776. It's only 32 millimeters nominal by 11.5 mil with a double dome sapphire crystal that takes up probably at least 2 millimeters of that thickness, so it won't feel that thick on the wrist. A beautiful curved stainless steel 316 case with what appears to be, on first impressions, very nice polish in there. It's like a mirror finish on the sides, with the faux diamond indices. I have to say, it looks way more expensive than I paid for it. And check this, it has a VH65 movement, which means it's basically like a Mecaquartz. The timekeeping function of the seconds hand looks like it's run on a mechanical movement. It's almost sweeping. So it's a kind of hybrid quartz movement, which is what I really do like about these Paganis, because they're putting in these like Mecaquartz movements on the cheaper watches. Because this watch I paid, obviously before taxes, it's available for less than 29 quid, which is just frightening. And look, the bracelet as well is a very famous style of bracelet with the brushed outers and polished inners, with a little kind of round baguettes. I'm sure you know where this bracelet style comes from, and it does come from Switzerland. Obviously, this one comes from China because this is obviously a homage. And it has a simple butterfly clasp, a symmetrical butterfly clasp. And the mechanism seems fine on first impressions. Although it is very delicate, but what do you expect for a tiny watch? Check the case back out. Does have the model number, it's a 1776. Because this has also got 100 meter water resist, believe it or not. That's a lot of watch for 29 quid. For 29 quid. When I saw it, I just thought to myself, that would be like a brilliant gift for, you know, Mother's Day or your girlfriend's birthday or something like that. And check the bezel out. The bezel also has the kind of inset gemstone construction. Obviously, these are going to be, you know, faux diamonds. They're not going to be real, obviously. But I have to say, how awesome does that look for 30 quid? On initial impressions, it doesn't feel bad at all either. Just looking at the polishing also on the bracelet, initial impressions are strangely very good. Obviously, I haven't done any like macro shots yet, which will all come out in the review, but just looking at that polishing looks strangely very, very good for the price point. And they've managed to put a sapphire double dome crystal on it for that price. Well, we'll find out if it is a sapphire shortly. When I saw it, I thought I have to get it. The dial is just sublime. It's obviously very blingy, but I think women can pull off blingy watches much better than men can, personally. What do you think? I think this is a winner. On initial impressions, chicken dinner. I'll get a full review up for you shortly. It's been Dave. Have a great day.